Hello, Iwichi. Today, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Hải Sâm. I'm from Quảng Ninh province. I am a housewife. I am 20 years old. My phone number is S6 1466. My email address is SAISAM@gmail.com. There are 5 people in my family. My father, husband, son, daughter, and me. I like to read the book. I like to read the book. I woke up at 6 a.m. Have breakfast. Go to work and come home in the evening. I like to hang out with my friends. That's so. Thank for you. Knitting.